I will be sharing you how you guys can add the thread account link on the Instagram story. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. And the other thing is, you should have an Instagram account and a Thread account in order to upload both of that. So what you have to do is to open up your Thread account and copy the link of your profile. So once you have done that, get back to your Instagram. Now, once you're in the Instagram option, simply go ahead and click on create story option. And once you have done that, go ahead and click on create. Here, simply either you can go to the top right corner where you can add stickers. Here you will see an option to add a link right over here. So simply click on link option and enter the link that you have just copied off the profile of the thread. And by doing so, you will be able to attach the link in the story of the Instagram. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.